Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 20. The reward for capital as a factor of production is A. Income, B. Interest, C. Profit, D. Rent, E. Wages. So we are looking at capital as a factor of production, and factors of production are basically those inputs that are required or that need to be in place for production to take place. So one of them is capital, but the four factors of production are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. So these factors of production are associated with some rewards. So the reward for land is rent, the reward for labor is wages, the reward for capital is interest, and the reward for entrepreneurship is profit. So we're asked for the reward of capital, and from here we see that the reward for capital is interest. So the correct answer is B. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.